Here's how you replace the cabin filter in the Kia Stinger GT so you can save time, money, and do it whenever you want. So first thing you want to do is open up the glove box, take out all the stuff inside, and there are two round stoppers you see here that we need to remove. So you want to lift up on the lid a little bit and then turn about a quarter turn counterclockwise so you can grip it like this. That's kind of how it looks up close. So you turn it a quarter until it releases, and you do the same for the other side. And once you get these off, there's another component you have to unclasp. So there's this little latch here. And so what I recommend is using a combination plier because there's more surface area. And all you do is pinch on those prongs and you can separate it with your other hand and it should separate. And once it separates, the lid should fold right down. So this is where the cabin filter is. So we want to remove this lid here, and there's a pinch clasp here. And what we want to do is just pinch, and then that should release. And then you want to pull it out about 45 degrees and then pull the lid towards the driver's side, so to the left side, and then it should come off like that. And this is where your filter is. So when you pull it out, there might be a lot of debris coming out. And then reinstalling everything is the opposite of removal. So once you stick the filter back in, just make sure the airflow label on the filter is pointing down. And once you fit it in, you just put the lid back in. So you just got to put it in on an angle, just like how it came out. And then it should lock in place. And then put everything back together. And that's all she wrote. Nice and easy. No need to pay somebody to do this other than buying the filter on your own.